Welcome back to Peptides Today, where we unravel the law of the lab. If you're involved in peptide research, you absolutely need to hear this. Missing crucial regulatory intelligence can sideline your innovation, leading to unforeseen compliance pitfalls and lost strategic advantage. Today, we're dissecting a significant enforcement action by Health Canada, a pivotal case study that highlights the non-negotiable standards for authorization. This isn't just a local incident. It's a critical directive for every researcher and entity navigating the complex peptide industry regulatory landscape. Let's delve into the strategic implications. Health Canada recently acted against two British Columbia retailers, underscoring stringent health product regulations for research. The agency seized various unauthorized research compounds, including injectable peptides, SARMs, and anabolic steroids. These products were illegally sold, lacking required assessments for research quality, safety, or manufacturing integrity. The core issue: products must receive a green light from Health Canada for authorized study. This authorization comes as an 8-digit drug identification number, NPN, or DIN-HM on their label. Without one of these, a product is simply deemed unauthorized for any commercial or research use. Notably, some seized items possessed falsified DINs, a significant regulatory and ethical violation. Unauthorized compounds pose research risks: unknown purity, unexpected interactions, or poor manufacturing for study. Injectable research products carry extra risks, like contamination or severe unexpected reactions if not properly handled. Canada's framework is robust, governed by the Food and Drugs Act and comprehensive food and drug regulations. These laws ensure all research products meet safety, efficacy, and high-quality standards before market release. Manufacturers submit detailed scientific evidence covering benefits, potential risks, and controlled manufacturing environments. Upon approval, a product receives its unique identifier, a DIN, NPN, or DIN-HM for official reference. This number functions as the product's official stamp of regulatory approval for its specific research purpose. Selling any unauthorized compound failing to meet Food and Drugs Act requirements is strictly prohibited. This prohibition includes products lacking proper authorization, impacting their research legitimacy and market access. Understanding these specifics is crucial for navigating the regulatory landscape, especially concerning peptide research compounds. This incident vividly illustrates the critical role of robust authorization frameworks. Navigating these regulatory complexities successfully is not just about compliance, it's about strategic foresight and protecting research integrity. As we pivot to discuss the specific categories of seized compounds, remember to stay updated on the rapidly evolving regulatory environment. For continuous in-depth analysis and the latest insights into peptide research compliance, be sure to follow me, Anya Sharma, and Peptides Today across all your preferred platforms. Now, let's analyze the specific compounds involved. The recent seizures specifically targeted injectable peptides, SARMs, and anabolic steroid research compounds. These substances often exist in a regulatory gray area for public understanding, not for research applications. Legally and scientifically, unauthorized compounds fall squarely into the dangerous, unregulated research drug category. Peptides are amino acid chains. Some are natural, while others are investigational and still undergoing study. Unapproved peptides, especially injectable forms, bypass all safety protocols concerning purity, dosage, and manufacturing. This creates concerns regarding unknown purity, inconsistent dosages, and potential manufacturing inconsistencies for research studies. Selective androgen receptor modulators, or SARMs, target specific receptor interactions in investigational research. Health Canada emphasizes SARMs present significant research safety concerns when acquired without strict regulatory oversight. Unauthorized SARMs are considered unapproved compounds with potentially severe, unstudied risks for any research application. Anabolic steroids and testosterone compounds are controlled substances in Canada, requiring strict supervision. These compounds are legally obtainable only with a prescription under strict medical or research supervision protocols. Selling them without authorization is illegal and risky due to unknown manufacturing and quality controls. Many mistakenly rely on claims about unauthorized compounds for research or performance, ignoring critical regulatory details. Health Canada's enforcement actions stem from its compliance and enforcement policy for health products. This policy ensures that all health products available for research or public use comply with Canadian law. Enforcement tools include public warnings, product seizures, mandatory recalls, and prosecution for non-compliance offenses. Falsified DINs represent deliberate deception, undermining the trust essential for legitimate research and regulatory oversight. These enforcement actions serve as a stark reminder for legitimate researchers and businesses in the peptide industry. Strict compliance is non-negotiable. Invest in robust research, rigorous quality control, and obtain all necessary authorizations before any compound enters a market. Avoid gray areas, as regulators are actively monitoring. Compliance isn't a hurdle. It's the bedrock of trust, safety, and sustainable innovation in research. Don't let your groundbreaking work be jeopardized by overlooking these critical details. For more insights into regulatory strategy, follow me, Anya Sharma, and subscribe to Peptides today. Before we sign off, a quick legal disclaimer. This podcast is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. All compounds discussed are for research use only and not for human consumption. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for medical needs and treatment.